Hi Asad, I am Biplov speaking. I am talking about our web page pest control. Actually, I am working on SEO development, and first work is keyword research. I already search and find some keywords, and you see this page. Yesterday I sent you this page. Did you see or not? I don't know. But today I also edit something on this page. First of all, I select for our site this keyword. I think this should be very comfort to optimize our site, and there is another keywords, and I want to use this keyword for content development. So I made the title. Title should be this, and URL should be this. Head tag, that means is one tag, best home remedies, okay, like this, and another title could be used on our web page to making a good content. I said that, and meta description. I write down this meta description. So all this I actually work on that. If you have any suggestion or any edit or change, then you can say me, and also you can do that. Actually tomorrow I want to make a page on Wix website. I have not good enough knowledge about Wix website, but I see some I watch some tutorial about that, and I want to work on that tomorrow. If you permit me to edit our website, then I will do that. So that's all, and I am looking forward to your permission. Thank you.